Ukrainian Defense Forces launched a missile attack on the Russian military base in Makeyevka in eastern Donetsk region on New Year's Eve, the Strateji Kommunikaziyalar Department of the Armed Forces of Ukraine reported on Monday. As a result of the precise strike, 400 soldiers of the invading army were killed and 300 more were injured. According to the report, the Russian military base was located in the building of the technical vocational school. Russian media has confirmed the destruction of the base in Makeyevka. Ukrainian troops also launched a successful counter-offensive operation on the night leading to January 2nd, shooting down 39 Iran-made kamikaze drones, 10 reconnaissance drones, and a Kh-59 guided air missile, the Ukrainian Air Force reported on Monday. Overall, Russia lost 720 troops in the past 24 hours, which brought its death toll in the war to 107,440 since the start of the invasion.